is my vision board. I want to get better grades, so I will study harder. I want to go see Stray Kids in concert, hopefully in Tokyo. I want to visit Southeast Asia with my family. Vietnam is first on my list. I want to be a pro golfer or dancer in the future, but I haven't decided which one. So, とりあえず, I will focus on both. And a red Lambo is the only car I want to drive, or a black Defender. What's your vision board look like?